Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build a strong career in finance or accounting, you've probably wondered, should I go for CA or CFA? But which one is better in India and internationally? Stick around because we're comparing difficulty, job roles, salary and global scope to help you decide. Let's go! Alright, let's start by understanding what each qualification is all about. What is CA, or rather Chartered Accountant? CA is the go-to qualification for accounting, taxation and auditing. Offered by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, it's highly respected in India. It covers financial reporting, taxation, law and audit. But what is CFA? Chartered Financial Analyst. CFA focuses on investment banking, portfolio management and financial analysis. It is offered by the CFA Institute, USA and is globally recognized. It covers topics like equity research, derivatives, risk management and corporate finance. In short, if you want to be a finance expert focusing on investments, go for CFA. But if you want to be an accounting and taxation expert, CA is your game. Let's talk difficulty levels because we all know that finance exams are no joke. CA difficulty level? CA is tough. It has 3 levels: foundation, intermediate and final. It takes 5 to 7 years on average to complete CA. The passing rate is around 10 to 15% at the final level, making it one of the toughest exams in India. So even after 5 to 7 years of hard work, only 10% of aspirants might eventually become a CA. CFA difficulty level. CFA also has 3 levels, but the global pass rate is around 40 to 45% of each level. Takes 2 to 3 years to complete, provided you pass all levels on the first attempt. Requires strong dedication to investment finance. Verdict: CA is more difficult due to complexity, group-based exams and low pass rates. CFA is tough but has higher pass rates and more specialized. Pro tip: if you're into finance and investments, CFA is worth the effort. Now let's talk about careers and salaries, because at the end of the day, we all want a great job and a fat paycheck. CA job roles and scope, India and abroad. Common job titles: Chartered Accountant, Tax Consultant, Auditor, CFO with experience. Where CA is best in India, but it's not widely recognized abroad unless you do CPA or ACCA alongside. CFA job roles and scope, India and abroad. Common job titles: Investment Analyst, Portfolio Manager, Risk Manager, Hedge Fund Analyst. Where CFA is highly valued worldwide, great for working in the USA, UK, Canada, UAE and Singapore. Key takeaway: CA is unbeatable in India. CFA is a global passport, perfect for roles in investment banking, hedge funds and asset management worldwide. How much can you earn? Let's compare salaries. Factors: CA India, CFA India, CFA abroad USA, UK, Canada, freshers. 5 to 8 LPA, 12 to 15 LPA, $75,000 to $100,000. Mid-level, 10 to 20 LPA, 18 to 25 LPA, $100,000 to $150,000. Senior level, 30 to 50 LPA, 40 to 80 LPA, $150,000 to $250,000. What's the verdict? Even in India, CFA has a better earning potential than CA India. Globally, CFA pays more because of its demand in investment banking and asset management. Pro tip: if you want a global career and high salaries abroad, CFA is better. Best of both worlds, CA plus CFA is equal to ultimate finance power move. So, CA or CFA, which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more finance career insights. See you in the next one.